Welcome to MC Bali channel with me, Nirmala Trisna. Now I'm going to talk about another series of the MC script video. I'm going to share with you my past script that I've done for an event. It was for Coral Triangle Center. Let's start. When preparing the script, make sure you have all the important information on hand. So you need to know all this basic information. Okay, let's start. There are several items that you need to know when preparing the script. All the details of the event. If you don't know yet, you can contact the organizer to check and to obtain the information as detailed as possible. Okay, let's start with the opening. Good afternoon, selamat sore. Her Excellency Susi Pujiastuti, Minister of Marine Affairs and Fisheries of the Republic of Indonesia, His Excellency Insinyur Joaquim Jose Guzmão dos Reis Martins, Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries from the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste, Wilfried Derry, Charge de Mission, Département des Relations Extérieures et de la Coopération Monaco, Dr. David Wachenfeld, Chief Scientist from the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park, Australia, Sylvia A. Earle, Founder from the Mission Blue, Francis Staub from the Secretariat of International Coral Reef Initiative, Ida Bagus Rai Dharma Wijaya Mantra, Mayor of the City of Denpasar, Dr. Hermawan Prasetya, Head of BPPT BTIKK or Indonesia Ceramic Center, Made Gunaja, Head of Marine Affairs and Fisheries Agency of Bali Province, Courtney Matheson, Lead Artist and Ocean Advocate, Rili Johani, Executive Director of Coral Triangle Center, all distinguished guests, representatives from media and journalists. Once again, good afternoon and welcome to the Coral Triangle Center, Center for Marine Conservation in Sanur, Bali, Indonesia. My name is Nirmala Trisna, acting as the MC for this event. On behalf of the host, we extend our greatest appreciation to each and every one of you for being able to attend this unveiling event. It is a remarkable moment where very soon we will unveil Coral Universe or Semesta Terumbu Karang, a work of art, a collaborative community art installation fostering ocean education through art and science. So this event was a semi-formal one. We can say it's semi-formal because it was attended by the ministers of two countries, and then there's also dignitaries from Monaco. But the event was held or was organized by an NGO. So in the case where we have to respect the dignitaries, we apply all the protocol from the government, but we also need to attend how the NGO style is. Okay, moving on to the next opening. This information I obtained from the organizer, of course, from the reference, the background story of this item of this art installation that they are unveiling in this special event. So I need to know the story behind it, why it is there, and why it is very important that all these VIPs are invited to attend the unveiling ceremony. Coral Universe is such an extraordinary project. It is first and largest community-based coral art project in the world. It was commissioned by Coral Triangle Center to inspire people to appreciate the beauty, value, and fragility of coral reefs and act to support coral reef conservation. The design of Coral Universe was from a renowned artist from the United States, Courtney Matheson, who worked closely with artists from Indonesia, the Government Ceramic Center BPPT BTIKK, a famous ceramic company Jenggala, and more than 300 volunteers from Bali. This unveiling event is held in conjunction with the celebration of 2018 International Year of the Reef and the event of our Ocean Conference on October 29th until the 30th, a forum where world leaders, environment activists, business community, and other stakeholders to discuss about ocean issues. And then I move on to talk about the agenda that will be happening in that afternoon. Today we will also have a plaque signing ceremony among representatives of 3 countries, Indonesia, Monaco, and Australia, who currently hold joint chairmanship of International Coral Reef Initiatives, or ICRI, a partnership between nations and organizations which strives to preserve coral reefs and related ecosystems around the world. The chairmanship of these 3 countries started in Paris on July 4th, 2018. And then I move on to the introduction of the speech. There are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are going to be 5 speech in this event. So in my script, I only put the list of the names with their titles. So I will see each person when I invite them to go to the podium or to the microphone or to the stage to deliver their speech. Without further ado, let us start our event this afternoon. We will have a welcome remarks from the Executive Director of Coral Triangle Center. Please welcome Rili Johani. And after her speech, I will thank her, and then moving on to the next speech. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to invite the next speech from the lead artist and ocean advocate. Please welcome Courtney Madison. So same like that for the next 2 speakers. For the final speech, that is going to be delivered by Her Excellency, the Minister, we can mention in a more formal way. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, next is the speech from the Minister of Marine Affairs and Fisheries of the Republic of Indonesia. Please be invited to the stage, Her Excellency Susi Pujiastuti. And then after her speech, we should listen carefully on what her final sentence is, and so we can react or respond accordingly and be related to that speech with the audience. And then moving on to the unveiling ceremony. It is the time we have been waiting for. We can change the vocal expression here. It is the time we have been waiting for, the unveiling of Coral Universe. Because this is also a bilingual event, some speech I had to say in Indonesian as well. So only the important or the crucial part of my speech that is translated into Indonesian. I don't say all sentences in both languages, otherwise it would be a very long speech by the MC herself. Tibalah kini pada momen yang kita nantikan, upacara peresmian semesta terumbu karang. I would like to invite our dignitaries to come forward to stand behind the white pedestals. So I invited all the VIPs, and while doing that, make sure we can also make eye contact with them. And then once all the dignitaries are ready behind the pedestals, we can continue our speech. Coral Universe was initiated by CTC as an innovative collaborative project to deliver message of coral reef conservation by combining art, science, and the latest technology. It is an innovative way to approach the younger generation where we realize the future of our coral reef. So this sentence is very important to highlight the importance of this event. With the spirit of collaboration, the unveiling procession is also going to be done collaboratively we would like to request our 5 dignitaries to please hold the Balinese musical instrument and play it together simultaneously to indicate the start of unveiling procession. We will count and please start on 3. 1, 2, 3. And the curtain was pulled open by 2 Balinese dancers unveiling the ceramic heart installation. So once the unveiling was done and the art installation was revealed to the audience, we can continue by saying, after 2 years of planning and sculpting and 12 full days of installation, the choral universe or Semesta Terumbu Karang is now officially unveiled. Preceding the procession, we would like to request Her Excellency Minister Susi and His Excellency Minister Joaquim to cut the flower gate as a symbol of blessing and proceeding to explore the choral universe. Following this official opening, the VIPs and other guests, also the media, went into the art installation and explore them. And here we can also explain about the details of the art installation. So it depends on how the interaction and how we are requested to be active in that session. Otherwise, we can just step back and wait until the next important session that we should announce. Okay, for this video, I'm going to just jump into closing. As always, we are extending our appreciation to the guest for coming to that event, for being a good audience. So we can say like this: all distinguished guests, or maybe if the ministers are still there, we can say, ministers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to CTC for the unveiling of Choral Universe. We can add important sentences to highlight the spirit of that event, or like some important mission that the organizer would like the audience to remember. Our ocean is indeed our legacy. We must do our part to preserve the beauty of our ocean for the next generation. And here I mention my name. Finally, I am Nirmala Trisna on behalf of Coral Triangle Center, wishing you a wonderful Sunday. We will see you in the next event of Coral Triangle Center with the spirit to inspire people to save ocean. Thank you. Terimakasih. Okay, so that's all. If you have any questions, just drop in the comment section. I will do my best to answer your questions. Thank you for watching, and if you think my video can be useful to someone who has passion to be an MC or want to learn to be an MC, who just got assignment to be a host for an upcoming event, please share my video. Thank you very much. See you next time.